Eating a hot dog on camera is not pretty, okay? We're making the famous chili slaw dogs. You're gonna love it. We are starting with a pound of hamburger. I'm using kind of lean, 85. I'm using an 85-15. I'm going ahead and brown that up. This is the best chili for hot dogs you'll ever make. It's simple, it's easy, and everybody will say, oh my gosh, that chili is so good. You'll have to make extra hot dogs, okay? Very easy. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it in a little small crock pot and let it simmer and stay good and warm until my hot dogs and stuff are ready. But I always like to start off making my chili first and then the hot parts out of the way. Now we are having a barbecue on Saturday and I will be bringing this chili. And you'll say, but it's so simple. There's nothing special about it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. We're going to put in 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard. 1/2 cup of ketchup. And we're going to take 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Just pop it right in. Then we're just going to stir it around. And the onion powder is completely optional. Oh, it smells so good. The best hot dog chili ever. I have taken this to church and made hot dogs before. And people just say, oh, I want the recipe. Please send me that chili recipe. That tastes just like when I was a kid. You know, the simple is sometimes so much better. I'm going to turn that off and we're just going to pour it right in. Some people are going to say, like my husband or my mama, they want onions. So I'm going to give it to them. I always make a little bit of onion for other people. I don't eat raw onions, but a lot of people do. So you'll need about 1 sliced up onion. Okay, got a little small container here. We don't want to have a lot of dishes to have to contend with. That's why I love this recipe. Okay, got our onions. We're going to pop them in the fridge. Today, I decided I'm going to share my recipe with you with already shredded up cabbage. I very rarely buy this, but you know what? It's 100 degrees outside. And I'm lazy, okay? I'm lazy. Okay, we're going to go ahead and going to get our coleslaw in our bowl. Oh yeah, this is so easy. Okay guys, we need 1 small shredded carrot. We're going to do this one small. I ate it. Now you guys are going to be surprised about this. I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of onion and we're going to shred it. We're going to shred it up. Definitely need my glove for this. And the reason I do that is because I don't like raw onion, but I love the taste of onion. So if I don't hear it crunch, we are good. So we're just going to kind of shred it up, and I'm using my cutting gloves so I can get it all the way down. So we're probably going to need about 2 tablespoons of shredded onion. And if some big ones fall in, and if you like it, that's fine, but I'm going to shred them if they fall in. We're going to use 1/2 cup of Duke's mayonnaise. Now you can use basically whatever you have on hand, but I love Duke's. I mean, I just use it all the time. Okay, now we need 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. And that is a 2-cup measure. Okay, now we need a teaspoon of salt. We're going to put in a teaspoon of pepper. And we're going to put in a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to mix it around. And I know I'm forgetting something. What is it? Oh. Okay, we are going to use 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can use white distilled if you want, but I kind of like the twang of apple cider. I just love that. And this is just a simple slaw recipe. You don't need to buy the coleslaw dressing at Walmart. You can make your own for pennies. Now we're just going to pour it all right in this bowl. We've got our onion, our carrots, and our slaw. Just going to stir it up. This is a simple slaw. This is called North Carolina hot dog slaw. Carolina hot dog slaw. And it gets better as it sits in that refrigerator. Yum, yum. That's it. Wow. That's hot dog slaw. The hot dogs I like best are for 4th of July, I just like the wieners. I really do. I think you can use any kind of hot dog you want, your favorite kind. Our chili has been cooking away and it's almost dinner time, okay? So I'm just going to throw these in the skillet. My husband had to take his mother to the doctor today. So he was going to grill them, but it was kind of unexpected. So we're just going to cook them on here. But I like to fry mine up a little bit. My house smells like my childhood right now, where I grated that onion and made that coleslaw and the chili cooking. It is my house. It is my home as a little girl. Because my mama always took the time to make our food so good no matter what it was. Whether it was a hot dog, a grilled cheese, my mama always goes out of her way to make it better each time. She just always has. Simple, easy, delicious food. And these can just sit in here and char up. That's what I like. It's like a grill. This is like a little grill to me. But they can sit in there and char up. I do like my hot dogs a little charred. Oh my gosh. It's so good. This is beginning to get little blisters on it. Oh, that's what we want. We want little hot dog blisters. See those little blisters? Ooh, look at that one. They're already turning brown. That's why I love this little frying pan, because it's like a little grill to me. These are going to be good. All right, we're going to put our chili on first. Now, if you want to put mustard or ketchup or anything like that, you most certainly can. I am foregoing that because I just like the chili and the slaw. But it's entirely up to you. You can make these any way you like. They're your hot dogs. Ooh. Look at that. Look how creamy that has gotten. Oh my gosh, you can just rake the bottom. See? That has married well. Oh my gosh. Carolina Slaw dogs. Guys, we got to try this. And it's not pretty. Eating a hot dog on camera is not pretty, okay? I'm in love. Guys, you got to make them. You're going to love these Carolina Slaw dogs. They're just so good. Oh my gosh, the best hot dog ever. Thank you guys for watching, for commenting, for coming, hanging out with me in my kitchen today. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. Thank you for your kind comments, for subscribing, for blessing my life. You are so kind to me. You encourage me every day. Thank you so much. You guys go. Be safe. I know a lot of people are vacationing this week. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day.